Hello everyone, my name is Cornell Greenfield, and this is for Project 3, Threads. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to list the directory. I'm already in the schools folder, Computer Science 3125. Alright, now let's look at the editor for synchronized. Alright, we're going to edit this file. Alright, here we go. Here are the libraries that I used. Here I am declaring an array to hold the 3 thread IDs and an array for their identities. Below, I get the ID of the previous thread in the array, wait for the previous thread to finish before printing. Then I print the identity of the current thread. Then I exit the thread. In this loop, I fork 3 child processes in reverse order: P2, P1, and then in this if statement, this is the child process, and it assigns a unique identity to each thread: THD1, THD2, and THD3. Then I create and run 3 threads in parallel, each with its unique identity. Wait for the last thread, thread 1, to finish before exiting the child process. Then I exit the child process, here that is, and then an else if in case it fails, and it ends the code. And then for this last for loop, the parent process waits for the child processes to finish in the specific order: P3, P2, P1, and then it will end. Alright, let me show you what I have. Alright, we're about to run, so we're going to use the command. Sorry about that. Okay, G++, here we go. Alright, time to get this code running. Alright, and it printed the thread and then went from 2, 3, 1. Alright, and I will end the code here. Alright, now time to do unsynchronized. Alright, let's view the code. Okay, this is the library that I used. This is the print statement here: I am the thread, and then it will show the process ID. This is the method to get the ID, and then the thread number. Here they'll create 3 processes: P1, P2, P3. Then the child process is below the for loop. Then after, create and run 3 processes in parallel. Then we will wait for all 3 threads to finish before exiting the child process, and then exit the child process, and then an else if in case it failed. Then it'll end the code, and then another else statement for the parent process, showing the process ID. Then with the last for loop, it will the parent process waits for all child processes to complete, and then wait if empty, and then end the code. Alright, here we go. I'm about to show what this will give us here. So we'll leave the code right now. Alright, so now we will try and run the code here. Okay, here we go. Okay, now time to do the output command. Okay, and as you can see, it prints the forked process P1, then the process ID, then forked process P2 with the process ID, then forked process P3 with its process ID, and then it prints the thread number here and its process ID. Alright, and this is for Project 3, Threads. My name is Cornell Greenfield, and I'm doing this for Computer Science CSPC3125 operating systems. Thank you and goodbye.